Chamomile tea has been cherished for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments and as a soothing beverage that promotes relaxation. Derived from the dried flowers of the Matricaria chamomilla plant, this herbal tea is loaded with beneficial compounds that contribute to its therapeutic properties. Today, we explore the top 10 benefits of chamomile tea, delving into how it can improve your overall health and well-being. Number 1. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress. One of the most well-known benefits of chamomile tea is its ability to promote relaxation. The tea contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in the brain, reducing anxiety and initiating a calming effect. Drinking chamomile tea can be an excellent way to unwind after a long day, helping to alleviate stress and promote a sense of calmness. This natural relaxant is often used as a gentle remedy to improve sleep quality and combat insomnia. Number 2. Improves sleep quality. Chamomile tea is a popular natural sleep aid. Its mild sedative effects make it a go-to remedy for those struggling with insomnia or restless nights. The apigenin found in chamomile tea works by binding to benzodiazepine receptors in the brain, which are involved in sleep regulation. By helping to calm the nervous system, chamomile tea can make it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep, resulting in more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Number 3. Supports digestive health. Chamomile tea is beneficial for the digestive system, often used to relieve symptoms such as bloating, indigestion, and gas. It has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that help relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, reducing cramping and discomfort. Additionally, chamomile tea can aid in soothing irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and is sometimes used as a gentle remedy for nausea and vomiting. Its ability to reduce inflammation in the gut also contributes to better digestive health overall. Number 4. Boosts immune system. Chamomile tea has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that can boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections. The antioxidants in chamomile, particularly flavonoids, help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting the immune system. Regular consumption of chamomile tea may help lower the risk of common illnesses like colds and flu, as well as support overall health by keeping the immune system strong and resilient. Number 5. Reduces menstrual pain. For many women, chamomile tea is a trusted remedy for easing menstrual cramps and discomfort. The antispasmodic properties of chamomile help relax the uterus, reducing the severity of cramps. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of the tea can help alleviate other symptoms associated with menstruation, such as bloating and mood swings. Drinking chamomile tea regularly during menstruation can provide natural relief from pain and discomfort without the need for medication. Number 6. Promotes skin health. Chamomile tea is known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, all of which contribute to healthier skin. When applied topically or consumed regularly, chamomile can help reduce skin irritation, soothe rashes, and promote healing of minor wounds. Its antioxidant content also helps fight free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and skin damage. Chamomile tea is often used in skincare products due to its ability to calm the skin and reduce redness and inflammation. Number 7. Supports heart health. Chamomile tea has been linked to heart health due to its high levels of flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Flavonoids help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart function. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, chamomile tea can support the cardiovascular system and lower the risk of heart-related conditions. Regular consumption of chamomile tea can be part of a heart-healthy lifestyle, helping to maintain good cardiovascular health over time. Number 8. Helps manage diabetes. Chamomile tea may help manage blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial drink for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Studies have shown that chamomile tea can help lower blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The anti-inflammatory properties of chamomile also play a role in preventing complications related to diabetes, such as nerve damage and kidney issues. While chamomile tea should not replace conventional diabetes treatment, it can be a helpful complementary therapy when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Number 9. Alleviates cold symptoms. When you're feeling under the weather, chamomile tea can be a comforting and effective remedy for alleviating cold symptoms. The tea's soothing properties help relieve sore throats, congestion, and sinus inflammation. Inhaling the steam from a cup of hot chamomile tea can also help clear nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. Additionally, the tea's antimicrobial properties may help your body fight off the infection causing your cold. Chamomile tea can be a comforting way to support your recovery when you're battling a cold or respiratory illness. Number 10. Promotes oral health. Chamomile tea is also beneficial for maintaining oral health. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it effective in reducing inflammation and fighting bacteria in the mouth. Chamomile tea can be used as a mouthwash to soothe mouth ulcers, gum inflammation, and sore throats. Regular consumption of chamomile tea may also help prevent the buildup of bacteria that can lead to cavities and gum disease. By promoting oral health, chamomile tea contributes to overall well-being and a healthier mouth. Chamomile tea is a versatile and powerful herbal remedy with a wide range of health benefits. From promoting relaxation and better sleep to supporting digestive health and boosting the immune system, chamomile tea offers a natural way to enhance your well-being. Whether you're looking to manage stress, improve your skin, or support heart health, incorporating chamomile tea into your daily routine can provide numerous health advantages. Its gentle yet effective properties make it a staple in natural medicine and a comforting beverage to enjoy at any time of day. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. See you next time.